concerned in Kana math classes for class 12 math under CBSE board. Now, in the continuance of the application of derivative, we will start to attempt question number 5th. And question number 5th is, a stone is dropped in a quiet lake and circular waves arises out of stoning, and the velocity of the wave is, and out of this circumstances circular waves are created in the lake and the velocity of circular wave is given, and we have to find out the area increasing and rate of increasing of area of circular waves in lake. Hence, we will start. Let R be the radius of circular wave. R be the radius of circular wave. Circular waves. Hence, according to question, dr by dt, rate of increasing of circular waves, dr by dt is given 5 centimeter per second. Now, the area of circular waves, area of circular waves A is equal to pi r square. Now, the rate of increasing the area, that is dA by dt or ddt of A means pi r square, or dr pi r square into dr by dt. Now, we have by chain rule ddt of pi r square into dx by dt. Dx by dt, dr by dt, it will be, if we resolve the derivative of the quantity within the bracket, we will have to 2 pi r into dr by dt is equal to 5 centimeter per second. 5, hence it will be equal 5 to the 10 pi r. Now, dA by dt at r is equal to, let us see what's the value of r, and value of r is given 8 centimeter. Value of r is given 8 centimeter. So, at r is equal to 8, let us replace r by 8. 10 pi r means 8, that is equal to 8 10 ja 80 pi centimeter square per second. This is the established answer of the question number. Now, in question number 6, it's given that rate of increase of the radius means, if the radius is r, then dr by dt is given, in the question dr by dt is given 0.7 centimeter per second, 0.7 centimeter per second. Out of this input we have find out the rate of increase of circumference. So you know the circumference of the circle, of the circle of radius r is equal to 2 pi r. This is the circumference of the circle of radius r is equal to 2 pi r. Now on the ground of this we have to find out the rate of increasing of circumference. That is, if we denote the circumference by c, let c is equal to 2 pi r. Now d dt of c, it means the rate of increasing of circumference with respect to time is equal to ddr of c. ddr of c means 2 pi r into dr by dt by chain rule. Now 2 pi r, if we differentiate or want to take derivative with respect to r, this will be clearly equal to 2 pi and dr by dt by this 0.7. Now dc by dt is equal to 0.7. 2.7 is 1.4 pi. Circumference means centimeter per second. This is the established solution of the question number 6. In question number 7, we have given a rectangle of length x and width y. The length x is equal to 8 centimeter and width y is equal to 6 centimeter. Length x of rectangle is increasing at the rate of 5 centimeter per second. It means dx by dt, length of the rectangle, I mean x, is increasing by 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter per minute, 5 cm per minute, while the width of the rectangle is decreasing dy by dt at the rate of the length is decreasing at the rate of, this is minus, and width is increasing at the rate of 4 centimeter per minute. 4 centimeter per minute. So we'll have to find out at what rate the perimeter is changing and the area of rectangle is changing. Here there are two questions. At what rate perimeter of the rectangle? Now first of all, perimeter of a rectangle, you know the perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2x plus y, and area of the rectangle, of the rectangle A is equal to x, y, means length into width, and this is the perimeter. You may assume this as a P. So first of all, we will find at what rate the perimeter is increasing or decreasing. Hence, we will have to find out in first A dP by dt. D of P by dt, it means d dt of P. P means 2x plus y. 2x plus y, it means 2. First of all, here we will find the derivative. 2x, x means 1 dx by dt, and here y means 1 dy by dt. Now, using this value dx by dt and dy by dt, will come to the conclusion that dp upon dt will be equal to 1 into dx by dt. Dx by dt is equal to minus 5 plus dy by dt plus 4. It means 2 minus 5 plus 4 minus 1. It means minus 2 centimeter per second. Now, due to lack of space here in blackboard, we want to rub some part of upper part of the blackboard. The second part of the question number 7 is the rate of increment of area of the rectangle, that is dA by dt. dA by dt, it means d dt. And what about area? Area means if you have length x and width y, then this will be x into y. So this will be dx by dt, x into dy by dt. We will have to find out the product of derivative x dy by dt plus y dx by dt, y dx by dt. Now, x means 8 and dx by dt, dx by dt we have given, and now this will be minus 5 into 6 plus 4 into 8. It means minus 30 and 4, 8 into 4 ja plus 32, it will minus 2 centimeter square per second. This is the question of second part of the question. Thank you for watching this video. If your consent regards video is positive, then must like and subscribe the video. In near future, we will try to give some peculiar type of questions and their solution. Thank you.